Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to configure Spotipo with UniFi Controllers. The setup is really easy, so I hope that there isn't too much trouble. To start off, in your Spotipo dashboard we need to go to Settings and UniFi Settings. From here we can click on the Settings icon in the top right corner. This opens up a wizard which contains 6 steps. First, you're being asked to choose between self-installed software and UniFi OS. If you're using self-hosted or cloud servers for your UniFi controller, please select self-installed software option. For devices such as UDM, UCG, UniFi Ultra, Express or similar, please use UniFi OS. In this guide, we'll be using UniFi Express, so UniFi OS is the way to go. In the next step, you need to choose between direct connection and reverse proxy. If you already have a public IP, public hostname or dynamic DNS name, please choose direct connection. If you don't have any of these, please select reverse proxy and follow a guide for that below. Here we're using a dynamic DNS name, so we're going to use direct connection. In the connection settings, you need to input a hostname or IP address of the controller, as well as the port that is being used. For UniFi OS devices, please use port 443. For self-hosted or cloud-hosted controllers, please use port 8443. It's sometimes possible that even though you've entered the correct address and port number, that the connection still doesn't go through. In that case, it's very likely that UniFi's firewall is blocking Spotipo from accessing it. To fix that, please follow one of our guides below. In this case, the firewall is sorted, so we're going to click on Next. Once you've successfully connected Spotipo to UniFi, you need to log in. For this, you need to use admin credentials of your UniFi controller. We recommend creating a local admin on your UniFi controller. If you don't know how to do that already, please follow one of our guides below. After you've successfully logged in with your admin, you need to choose the site name. This is especially important if you're using self-hosted or cloud-hosted controllers, since you probably have multiple sites. In case you're using any of the UniFi OS devices, leave this on a default. And the last step of the wizard is to choose the correct SSID, most probably your guest network. If you've connected everything successfully, your controller status should now be online. Now that all that is done, we can move on to the final step, which is configuring your UniFi controller. We have jumped straight to our UniFi controller. To finish up the installation, go to Settings, Wi-Fi and choose the Wi-Fi that you're planning to use with Spotipo. Under Advanced tab, turn it on to Manual. And under Hotspot 2.0, please turn on Captive Portal. Once that is done, apply the changes. After the changes have been applied, go back to the same SSID and click on the Hotspot Portal hyperlink to redirect to Hotspot Editor. From here, go to the padlock icon called Authentication in the top right corner. Make sure to turn on External Portal Server and enter the following IP address. Next, go to the Settings and under Landing Page Settings, turn off Encrypted URL and turn on Secure Portal and Domain. Under Domain field, make sure to use app.spotipo.com. The only thing left to do is to add pre-authorization allowances. The two most important ones are the IP address here, as well as the app.spotipo.com domain. If you're planning to use Stripe, you need to add following domains. And if you plan to use Facebook as well, these host names should be needed. Once you've configured everything, make sure to save the changes. After the changes have been saved, your Spotipo portal should open up when connecting to your Wi-Fi next time. We hope that this guide has helped you, and if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to support.